Okay, quick update. This is the home that burned down a couple of weeks ago. And big thank you for all your comments. I got an amazing contractor that was recommended from you guys, so big thank you. Things are looking good. Plumbing and electrical inspection will happen next 1 or 2 weeks. And yeah, if you like more info, let me know. As you can see, the section behind me of the building that burned down needed to be redone completely. It's a lot of work and required another permit, but I think it's gonna look stunning once it's redone. So looking forward to that.